All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to copy lists. So you cannot copy a list simply by typing list2 equals list1 because list2 will only be a reference to list1. And changes made in list1 will automatically also be made in list2. There are ways to make a copy. One way is to use the built-in list method copy. So let's go take a look at this in our notebook on how we can execute this and copy lists. All right, so we're back in our notebook here. So let's comment this code out and we'll do copy lists. Okay, and then we'll return a few times here and let's run the copy method. Okay, so let's use our list of Google. I'm just going to copy this one so we can kind of skip ahead here now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to type in our list equals, actually let's do my list equals our list dot copy, and then the method here, and we're going to print my list. Okay, so when I run that, what it's going to do is it's going to copy our list. Okay, so if I print my list and our list, what happens? We have a copy. We're going to have both of them, and that's what you want. And so you can use that method to say, let's say you want to preserve the list, but you want to copy it and use it somewhere else for a different task. This is how you can do that. Okay. Another way to make a copy is, again, to use the built-in method, but instead of using the copy method, we would use the list method. Okay. And this will do the same exact thing. So if I copy our list, again, just to speed up the process a little bit, and then I do my list equals list, and then our list, because we're copying our list, then we're going to print my list. And that will make a copy as well. Okay, so let's do that once. Let's run that, and there you go. So you can either use the copy method, which I recommend doing, or the list method. Okay, either way, you'll get the same result. Okay, so that's how you copy lists. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.